Hello everybody, today we're going to be making stuffed onions, which are also known as Iraqi Dolma, which is funny because dolma is actually what they call wada dawali in Turkey. So how interesting is that? I guess anything stuffed correlates to each other. So first, to start off, you're going to want to cut a little slit in the onions you're going to be using, and this is just so we can cook them properly in boiling water, but also make sure that we don't leave them in there for too long, otherwise they won't have the integrity to be rolled later. So be careful on that. And now it's just a bunch of chopping up vegetables, where it's going to be some garlic, some onion, and then you're just gonna add that to rice, by the way. That wasn't what was in the earlier clip. And we made this dish completely vegetarian, but you can also add ground beef in there, like we have done for the wada dawadi recipes or the stuffed grape leaf recipes. You can make the same filling. The main difference here is just, well, obviously in this case it's vegetarian, but if you were to do that, the main difference would just be the fact that it's an onion you're rolling up. And you'd have to do those steps beforehand and afterwards. Then you're also going to add some tomato, and just chop it up really fine, as much as you can. Take this dish as an opportunity to work on your chopping skills. At least I will if I ever make it. What's hilarious is I've only tried a couple of my mom's recipes and they were all desserts. So I think I need to start focusing up a little more. And then you're also going to chop your cilantro. And then I believe we have some parsley afterwards as well. So make sure you make a nice little run to your grocery store with all of these ingredients, because we've got a lot of vegetables. And once that is all done, we're going to add some lemon juice, some olive oil, salt, pepper, vegetable broth powder, and we make this ourselves, by the way, so if you want to check that out, look at the video in the upper right hand corner. Pomegranate molasses. This is the secret ingredient in this dish, I would say. And some tomato paste. And then go ahead and mix that on up. And then for the final part, we're going to use the water that we had cooked our onions with. So make sure to not throw that down the drain. And some pepper, salt, tomato paste. Once again, pomegranate molasses. And then mix that up. And this is going to go on top of our onions. And just also PSA, all of our ingredients are listed in the description below, so don't be alarmed if you miss what's on the screen. Just go take a look at that, and I'm sure you can match the ingredient to what you see. So no worries. Then you're going to want to, as carefully as you can, peel off each layer of the onion, and then stuff it. It is so self-explanatory that I can do it even, so, you guys got this. So just go ahead and stuff it and then roll it up. It's actually really nice that it you had peeled it off as layers, like how it was already part of that, because it kind of rolls up on its own, which is really convenient. So you don't have to worry about technique or anything. And then go ahead and put that onion broth type thing we just made, and then aluminum, and stick it in the oven to cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're also going to pomegranate molasses is the winner of the day, and this is just going to coat them from the top after they're done cooking for a little extra taste. And then we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven one more time after you coat it, obviously. Once again, just to broil it for a little bit, and then they should turn out super nice and charred and not golden brown, but because they can't really see the golden because it's purple. But yeah, that's about it. We hope you guys enjoy these stuffed onions and that they're as good as what they'll add to you guys. Happy stuffed onion eating. Bye!